Meet the Splendide WDV2200XCD Combo Washer/Dryer. Vented, the ultimate space-saving laundry solution that delivers full-sized performance in a compact design. You'll find the link to this product in the description below. Built for modern living, this all-in-one washer and dryer combo lets you wash and dry your clothes in one single machine, saving space, time, and effort. Whether you live in an apartment, RV, or small home, it's engineered to bring convenience and efficiency right where you need it. The Splendide WDV2200XCD combines powerful vented drying with advanced washing performance to give your laundry the perfect finish every time. With 15 wash and dry cycles, including specialized settings for delicates, heavy loads, and quick washes, this combo ensures that every fabric is cared for the way it should be. Its durable stainless steel drum resists rust and wear, while maintaining a smooth interior that's gentle on your clothes. Designed for energy and water efficiency, the WDV2200XCD helps lower your utility costs without compromising performance. The intelligent sensors adjust water level, temperature, and cycle duration automatically, ensuring optimal results with every load. The vented drying system efficiently removes moisture, leaving clothes fresh, dry, and ready to wear without the heavy feel or dampness common in non-vented models. Another standout feature is its quiet operation system, perfect for small spaces or open floor plans. The advanced sound dampening technology keeps your home peaceful, even during high-speed spin cycles. Easy-to-use electronic controls and a clear LED display make selecting and monitoring cycles simple, even for first-time users. Compact yet powerful, the Splendide WDV2200XCD is perfect for anyone looking to maximize space without sacrificing laundry performance. It fits neatly under counters, in closets, or RV cabinets while offering the same functionality as a full-size laundry pair. From performance to practicality, the Splendide WDV2200XCD Combo Washer/Dryer is designed to simplify your laundry routine and give you more time for what matters. It's efficient, durable, and made to handle life's daily laundry challenges with ease. Upgrade your space with the Splendide WDV2200XCD Combo Washer/Dryer, and enjoy a new level of convenience in every wash. You'll find the link to this product in the description below.